I think if you're an Italian wine beginner, there's some wines that you should really familiarize yourself with. If you think about Italy, there are 20 autumnus or 20 small regions. So I'd like to think about choosing a wine from all the various different climatic influenced areas of Italy. So if you think about maybe try a Pinot Grigio from the northeast, like a region like Friuli, just to get familiar with what Italian whites can taste like. Take a little trip to the northwest and try a wine from the Alps, maybe a Barolo or a Barbaresco from the Piedmont region. Go to the center of Italy around the Mediterranean side and try a Sangiovese based wine from Chianti Classico. Perhaps take another wine from a little bit further south by Naples and try a wine from the grape Aglianico in a region called Campania. I always love to try Sicilian wines, so you can try a red from the Mount Etna side of Sicily with grapes called Nerello Mascalese, and those are a good way to explore Italy and all of its climatic influences.